Hello, how are you friends? In this episode, I will explain and share in detail how to make the aspect ratio of a video into a Cinemascope or anamorphic form. Okay, as you know, there are a lot of video aspect ratio. Okay, let's look at the following pictures. Here, my friend. Okay, for the first, there are 5 to 4 or 1.25 to 1, and then the last one there is 135 to 1. Here we go. This is the aspect ratio that we will use in our discussions. It's called Cinemascope or Anamorphic, right? And look at the size. It's very cool, I think. Well, my friend, what we are going to discuss and we are going to make is the last one with an aspect ratio is 2.35 to 1 or Cinemascope, where this aspect ratio can be used in theaters. This looks cool because of its elongated shape and it looks very wide on the screen. It's cool, right? Okay, to make this Cinemascope aspect ratio, I use a software that is very simple and easy to use, namely the latest version of Filmora X or Formula 10. It is the newest software from Wondershare Filmora. Or you can also use Filmora Pro for those of you who are already very pro with many need for editing tools. The Pro version is a bit complicated because it is specifically intended for professional use. Here I use Filmora X or Filmora 10 because I don't have too many needs in editing video tools. Okay, my friend, let's start to open the software. The Filmora 10 or Filmora X. We are going to open it.